Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to install the camshafts on a Chrysler Dodge with a 2.4 engine. This one is the EDZ, so it's a 2006 Stratus, but it's the same from 2000 all the way to 2006. That's the Chrysler engine, not the Mitsubishi that they use in the coupes, and Chrysler Sebring and PT Cruiser as well. So what you need to do, if you're installing new rocker arms, it's fine, it's even better. But if you're reusing the old ones, it's important to remember the order that you took them off and now put them the same spot that they used to be, the same place. And usually you need to number them or put them in order when you take them off and not mix them. It's important. And now we need to install to put oil on all of them, and also right here on the bearings, the bearing journals right there, we need to put fresh oil, because right now it's dry, and if we install the camshaft and we forget to put oil and you start the engine, you might cause damage to the head. And this is the new seal right here that we have, and it's always good to replace it if you have the camshafts off. You can see that's the old one. It's like plastic, it's about to start leaking any time. And what you need to do now, you just need to place the camshaft right there, and you need to make sure that it goes in the hole, the timing cover hole right there. And now it just goes in a certain place, you can see it. And what we need to do right now, we need to apply more oil on the bearings now where it's contacting, so again we can prevent damage to the camshafts or the cylinder head, or maybe even both. Okay, now we go to the other camshaft and we just pull the seal out, apply a little bit of oil, and then put the new seal. It'll be tighter fit than the old one, as you can see. Right there. And now again we need to put oil on all of the rocker arms and the bearings right there. Lubricate it good, don't leave any dry spots at all, so we can avoid damage again. Okay, and now we're ready to put the second camshaft. This is the exhaust camshaft. It's the shorter one, because this one has the magnet right here for the cam position sensor. Make sure that they lie good there, everything is lined up, and make sure that the seal is perfect there in the slots. As you can see, there is a certain spot that they need to be, and again apply oil on top of it, the whole thing. Okay, now right there we need to install the other halves of the bearings, the caps on top. And do not get them tight, just install them and put the bolts. You can screw the bolts a few revolutions so they don't get loose, but there is a special order that they need to get tight. So there is a special order, and we'll share with you the torque spec, so stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay, now this is the diagram right here. So we need to start with number 1, which is right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you go to the other shaft and it's the same order. And what you need to do for the number 1 cap and 6, you need to apply a little bit of silicone. Okay, right here it says a little bit of silicone in the corner, but you can actually do that later when you install the valve cover gasket. And that's pretty much how you do it. You need to go 12 Newton meters or 105 inch per pound right there in the sequence, all of them. And then for the other ones, the bigger bolts there with the 28 Newton meter, that's for number, this one for right here and here, and this one you need to go 28 Newton meters or 250 inch per pound right there. So that's how you install the camshaft. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching us, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.